Okay, so going through the left-hand chord exercise, let's build that A chord with the 1, 2, and 3 like so. Go ahead and go with me so I know how fast we should go. So you got your 1 on the 3rd string, up into that 2nd fret, and then your 2 is the neighbor on the 4th string. Say the very next string. Now drop your palm down so you can get your ring finger in on that 2nd string. Okay, cool. Squeeze, relax. Now lift your 2 and your 3. Slide your 1 closer to that 2nd fret and build your D chord. Go a little closer to that fret. There you go, and your fingers will turn in like so. Squeeze, relax, lift the 2 and the 3. Slide the 1 back behind the 1st fret and make your E chord. Squeeze, relax, lift the 2 and the 3. Come back to that D chord. Slide right up. No, just slide it up. There you go. Make that D chord. Squeeze, relax. Okay, here's some new chords for you. Now we're going to keep this 3 finger as the connect. Move the pointer finger over to the 5th string 2nd fret and lift your middle finger off. Keep your ring finger on the 3rd string, or 2nd string, I'm sorry. There it is, right, just leave that right there. That's your E minor 7. Now watch coming up on your guitar like that. Just let your palm drop and your wrist stay straight. Now for a C2, add your middle finger on the 5th string 3rd fret. So just ahead of your pointer finger, right there. And you can take your pointer finger off. Now, we're going to lead that middle finger out to the 6th string. Put your pointer down on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and your pinky finger there, and that makes a G. Again, instead of coming up on it like this, just let it lay back this way. Okay, now keep your pointer connect, take everybody else off, and then slide back a little with your pointer so you can make your E minor. There, good. Now leave your middle finger on and lift your pointer off and go to the C chord. Keep that middle on that 4th string, so you got to place a guide. There you go. Now watch getting your hand out too far. That's what happened. That's why that does that. Just let it lay back and relax that way. Now for the G6, push the 2 and the 3 up 1 string. Take your pointer off. Now let your hand lay back so your pointer comes down on that 1st string to get a G7. So again, instead of having it come up like that, just let it lay back. Don't worry about touching any strings at this point. So you gotta get it back that way. There, just let it lay back. Don't worry about those fingers touching strings. Okay, now pull everybody back in for the C. Keep your palm down and relaxed. Now keep your pointer where it is. Drop your middle and your ring for F major 7. To make like a staircase shape. Here's what the picture looks like on the page. Excellent. Squeeze, relax. Watch that hand coming up like this. Just let it hang down. Now keep your pointer in your middle and pull your ring finger back to the 1st string 2nd fret. Keep your pointer in your middle where they were for F major 7. Lift your ring finger off. Remember to relax and don't squeeze when you're moving. Now pull your ring finger to the 1st string, 2nd fret for the D7. Cool. Okay, now everybody off and go to the E. Now A minor goes down, so drop the whole thing down for A minor. Augmented F goes down again, so drop the whole thing down for augmented F. Slide, take your point as well. Good. Now slide your ring finger to the next fret for D minor. Now instead of turning your hand like that, just let it slide from this angle. Now everybody off to the E chord. Cool. Now for the last chord in the exercise, move your pointer up 1 string and pull your ring finger back 1 string. And then let your pinky, so you got to drop your hand so your pinky can get in on the 1st string 2nd fret for B7. Voila. Okay, so that's 4 minutes.